Who says s'mores have to be sweet? These are savory s'mores. Fire-roasted cheese and meat sandwiched between crispy crackers with all kinds of salty, spicy, tangy goodness. First up, halloumi and ham. The halloumi gets squeaky and golden over the fire, while the ham starts to crisp around the edges. There's just something about cooking over a fire. Everything picks up a bit of smokiness, the cheese softens just right, and it all gets a little extra flavor you just can't fake. I sandwich it between Triscuits with a spoonful of hot pepper jelly and some green onion. Smoky, salty, sweet, and crunchy all in one bite. Next, Babybel and kubasa. I skewer the kubasa right after the Babybel to help hold it in place while roasting. It keeps the cheese from slipping off the skewer and into the fire. Roast until the Babybel softens and the kubasa gets some char, then stack it between Ritz crackers with a spoonful of dill pickle sauerkraut and a slice of pickle for that hit of tang and crunch. And finally, brie wrapped in prosciutto. Brie is a pretty soft cheese, so wrapping it in the prosciutto is really important. The prosciutto crisps up while the brie melts safely inside, just soft enough to hold its shape. This one roasts the fastest of the three. I sandwich that between baguette crisps with fresh basil and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Rich, herby, and just a little fancy. Campfire snacks don't have to be boring. These are quick, customizable, and ridiculously fun to eat.